No hot water? Having boiler problems? Plumbers 911 has answers. First, an expert plumbing contractor from our network of affiliates will check the boiler's burners and ignition to make sure they're lighting correctly. If there are issues, they'll shut off the gas and remove the burner unit to clean and repair it. They'll also flush it and remove any built-up sediment. If your boiler is corroded, the plumber will remove and replace all affected parts before corrosion spreads through the tank. On newer models, the plumber will adjust the controls to provide optimum water temperature for both efficiency and comfort. Plumbers 911 is your source for expert boiler repair contractors in the area. No matter the problem, they'll find the solution. Plumbers 911. Emergency plumbing service, one click away.